Hello children, welcome to online class. Today we are going to deal with exercise 1.4 even and odd numbers. All numbers having digits 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in the ones place are called even numbers. Or which numbers are divisible by 2 are also known as even numbers. Okay students, once again I will tell you. 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Okay, these are all even numbers. Or which numbers are divisible by 2 are known even numbers. Okay students, so see here, they have given some examples here, 12 and 24. Okay, in ones place there is a 2 number and here in ones place 4 is there. Okay, there are 12 socks. 12 is an even number. These 12 socks can be grouped into 2s, 1s and 10s. Okay, like that. All numbers having digit 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 in the ones place are called odd numbers. Or another definition, which numbers do not divide by 2 are also called as odd numbers. Okay students, which numbers are divisible by 2 are known as even numbers. Which numbers are not divisible by 2 are known as odd numbers. Okay, so see here, in ones place 1 and in another number ones place 9 is there. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are odd number. You have to remember these numbers. Okay, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are even numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are odd numbers. Okay students, now let us do one activity here. Read each number aloud, circle even numbers. In these numbers we have to circle the even numbers which consist in ones place 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Okay, underline the odd numbers. 2 have been done, so they have given here. Which number are circled? They are known as even number. Which number are underlined? They are known as odd number here. Okay students, so see here, 20. What is in ones place 0? It is even number, so circle this number. Okay, 7. See, 7 is a odd number. For that we have to underline. 53. In ones place there is a 3. It is known as odd number, so underline. 64. In ones place 4 is there. It is known as even number, so circle this number. 96. 6 is even number, so circle this number. 7 is odd number. For that we have to underline. 18 is a even number. 24 is also even number. In ones place you have to observe what number exists in ones place. If in ones place there are 2, 4, 6, 8 or there are 2, 4, 6 or 8, it will be even number. If any number consists in ones place 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are known as odd number. Okay, so here, what is the first number or ones place number here? 9. It is odd number, so underline. 6, even number, circle. 2, even number, circle that. 3, odd number, underline. 1 is also odd number. 5 is also odd number. Hope you are all understood the concept of even and odd number. Okay students, next. Write the missing numbers. Circle the even numbers, cross the odd numbers. So they have given 17. We have to write the missing numbers here. They have given 17 and 26. In between numbers we have to write 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay, these are all missing number. We have to complete this number structure. Okay. Second thing, they have told circle the even numbers. Even numbers are divisible by 2 or any number which exists in ones place that are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay students. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 are even numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are odd numbers. You have to keep in mind. Okay students. Now circle the even numbers. Cross the odd numbers. So one's place 7 is there. It is odd number. We have to cross this number. In one's place there is a 8. It is even number. Circle this number. 9 is odd number. So cross. 0 is even number. Put the circle. 1 is odd number. Cross. 2 is even number. Circle. 3 is odd number. Put the cross mark. 4 is even number. Put the circle. 5 is also odd number. For that we have to put cross mark. Okay. 6 is even number. We have to circle this number. Okay. Next. 34 and 43 they have given. We have to write the missing numbers here. After 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. Okay. We have to see the first place number. Okay. In its place. One's place is 4 number. So even number. Circle. 5 is odd number. Cross mark. 6 is even. Circle. 7 is odd. Cross. 8 is even number. Circle the number. 9 is odd. Put the cross mark. Same. 0 is even. Circle. 1 is odd. Cross. 2 is even number. Circle. 3 is odd number. Cross mark. Okay. Try this in home. Okay students. So come to next main. So write the even numbers that are between the odd numbers and the odd numbers that are between the even numbers. So 13 and 17 are odd numbers because in one's place 3 is there and in one's place 7 is there. So these two are odd numbers. We have to write, see here, write even numbers that are between odd numbers. They have given two odd numbers here. In between we have to write the even numbers. Okay. After 13, 14 is there. 14 is the even number because in one's place 4 is there. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 are even numbers. So this is even number. 15 is odd number. We have to, we don't need to write here because they told write even numbers. So we left 15 here. So after that, after 15, 16. 16 is a even number. One's place 6 is there. We have to consider as even number. So we have written two even numbers between two odd numbers. Okay students. Next, 24 and 28 are even numbers because in one's place 4 and 8 is there. So we have to, they have given two even numbers. We have to write two odd numbers. Okay. After 24, 25 will come. 25 is obviously odd number. 26 is even number. So we skip the 26 here and write 27. These two are odd numbers between two even numbers. Hope you are all understood. Next, counting by 5. Complete the number stripe. Circle all the even numbers. We have to each and every time add 5 to each number. So see here, 5 is there. We have to count by 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Write 10 here. Next we have to add further 5 to 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Like that we have to each and every time you have to add 5 to each number. If you add 5 to this, you will get 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Okay. Next, circle all the even numbers. All the even numbers means in one's place which are number have to that number 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. That are all even numbers. So, circle for even numbers. Okay. These are all what? Even number, because in one's place 0 is there. It is odd number. They don't tell any mark for odd numbers. They have only told circle the all even numbers. So we have circled odd even numbers. Okay students. Next, add or subtract. State whether sum or difference. In mathematic term, if you add any two numbers, that is known as sum. If you add two numbers, that is known as sum of numbers. Okay. Add means sum. You keep it in mind. Okay. Subtract means we have to find the difference. Okay students. Now 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. What we did here? We did addition. For that what we have to write? Sum. Write sum here. Okay. See here. 4 plus 6, 10. We add two numbers. For that we have to write sum. Okay. Next. 3 and 7. What will be the answer? 10. What we did here? Sum. Right? Sum. Okay students. Next. 2 plus 5 equals to 7. What we did here? We find the sum of two numbers. Okay. Next. Here. Observe this sign. 9 minus 6. What we did here? Subtracted. Okay. We subtracted 6 from 9. We get 3. So, we find the difference. Okay. We have to write difference. Subtract means difference. Add means sum. You just keep it in mind. Okay. It is the simple method to keep in remember. Okay. Next one. 7 plus 1. Plus means add. Add means we find the sum of two numbers. So write sum here. If you add, we have to write sum. If you subtract, we have to write the difference. Okay students? Try these three. Okay? Next. Tick the correct answer. A. The sum of two even numbers. The sum of two even numbers is always even numbers. Try at home. Add even numbers. Two even numbers. We will get always a even number. So, tick the is always even. See here. 4 is also even number. 6 is also an even number. If you add these two numbers, we will get even number. Isn't it? Next. The sum of two odd numbers is always even number. See here. 7 is also odd number. 1 is also odd number. But our sum is 8 or our answer is 8. 8 is a even number. That's why the sum of two odd number is always even number. Okay students, hope you are all understood. Turn the page. Exercise 1.5. Ordinal numbers. First to 10th. Ordinal means position numbers. Position numbers means, for example, you have already participated in running race, isn't it? In annual sports, we are conducted annual sports. On that, one event is running. In that running competition, you have participated and you come for second place. Okay, your remaining friends will come. Will get another position like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, like that. Okay students, these are all number known as position numbers. Okay, so see here. First, 1 is known as first. Okay, first place is known as first, and it is also written as like this: first standard, second standard, third standard, like that. Okay. 2. For second place we have to known as second. SECOND, second. Next, second standard. 3 for this ordinal number is third. THIRD, third. In numbers, third standard. Fourth, okay, fourth standard. Fifth place, fifth standard. Sixth place, sixth standard. Seventh place, seventh standard. Eighth place or eighth rank, eighth standard. Ninth rank, ninth standard. Tenth rank, tenth standard. Like that, okay, students? Now, see here. These are all animals participated in race. Okay. 10 animals took part in a running race. These are all animals participated in running race. The horse and the dog ran very fast. They completed the race first and second respectively. Horse and dog, they get first and second place respectively. Okay. Next, the camel and the elephant ran quite fast. They were third and fourth respectively to complete the race. The bear was fifth and the cow was sixth. The sheep and the rabbit were tired, but they reached the finishing point 7th and 8th respectively. The tortoise and the pig were 9th and 10th respectively. Okay. These are all animals. They have participated in the running race. Though which animal get first place here? Horse. Second place? Dog. Third place? Camel. And fourth place? Elephant. Fifth place? Bear. Sixth place? Cow. Seventh place? Pig. Eighth place? What? Rabbit. Okay. Ninth place? Tortoise. 10th place? Pig. Okay. So, fill the blanks with the ordinal numbers to show the position of animals. The horse came first. The rabbit came. Where is the rabbit here? Rabbit came 8th. Rabbit came 8th. Okay. So, 8th. This is the rabbit right here. Ordinal numbers 8th. Okay. Like this. Ordinal number 8th. Camel. Where is camel here? 3rd. Isn't it? So, write 3rd. So, see here. Like that you have to write. Okay. Bear. Where is the bear here? This one. Okay. Bear. The bear was 5th. So, 5th. Okay. Next. Sheep. Where is the sheep? It gets 7th place. So, write 7th place. Next. Pig. 10th place. So, 10th. Okay. Okay, students. 10th. The elephant. Elephant. Where is elephant here? This one. 4th. So, 4th. Okay. Cow. 6th place. 6th place. Tortoise. 9th. Okay, students. Dog. 2nd place. 2nd place. Okay, students. Try to understand the concept. Hope you are all understood. Thank you.